Thank you, Mr. Speaker. As we were discussing prior to being at ease, I was trying to point out that currently our school districts are mandated to follow the next generation science standards. This is according to the State Department of Education. So I just wanted to clear that with the proponent that this was done back in 2015, that the State Board of Education approved the next generation science standards. So currently the schools should be following that. I've asked for a percentage. Do we have a number of percentage of schools that may not be following the standards? And that I'm being told that almost all the schools are following the next generation science standards now. And I just wondered if the proponent has an opinion on that. Not an opinion, but is aware of that fact. Thank you.
Representative Palm.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Through you. Yes, and again, thanks to the good representative for the question. I am aware that the vast majority of our schools are already teaching by the NGSS, which are, again, excellent standards. They are not, however, mandated. They are guides which most schools abide by. Through you.
Representative McCarty.
Thank you again, Mr. Speaker. That would be somewhat in contradiction to what I'm receiving from the State Department of Education. And this is not an argument whether you're pro-climate change or anti-climate change, but to just say what the current practice is currently throughout our school districts. And it's my understanding that the State Board of Ed put this next generation climate, the standards in place, and climate change is one of those. And then just another point, if I may, through you, Mr. Speaker, to the proponent.
You may proceed.
So there is no real time duration. This could be a topic in the science curriculum when science is taught in those grades, that it doesn't mandate any particular amount of time that would have to be devoted to the topic. Is that correct?
Representative Palm.
Through you, yes, that's my understanding.
Representative McCarty.
Thank you again, Mr. Speaker. So just in summary, that to my knowledge and according to the State Department of Education, this was adopted in 2015 in the Next Generation Science Standards. It's applicable to 5, 8, and 11 when they are tested. And it's a mandate to follow the standards, but not necessarily a new mandate on the school districts. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.